Are you ready to make some serious cash in 2023? Affiliate marketing might just be the solution you're looking for. It's a great way to earn an income from promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. Forget carrying inventory, forget drop shipping, and forget all the hard work that goes along with actually running a store. With affiliate marketing, you just promote other people's products. This video will show you exactly how you can get started with affiliate marketing in 2023, providing 5 simple and powerful steps that anyone can implement, whether you're a blogger, content creator, or entrepreneur wanting to set up an online business. So, before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we post more amazing content like this. And here we go. Step 1, research your niche. You don't need to be an expert to become a successful affiliate marketer. All you need to do is find the right niche, one that you're passionate about, with hopefully high profit potential and low competition. Utilizing tools such as Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, or ClickBank, you can easily find products that are currently in demand. Researching keywords and competitors will give you an edge on the market, allowing you to differentiate yourself from others. With the right niche and dedication, you will find your success. Number 2, create a website, blog, or YouTube channel. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a platform. Whether it be a website, blog, or even YouTube channel, it is essential that you set up a place to showcase your affiliate products and gain an audience. Make sure that the platform is user-friendly, features high-quality visuals, and can be easily found on search engines like Google. Additionally, make sure there's an opt-in incentive available. Collecting emails will give you the opportunity to reach out to them in the future. With a good platform in place, you'll be well on your way. Step 3, pick profitable affiliate programs. Now that you have identified your niche and created a platform, it's time to choose an affiliate program that matches your target audience. There are lots of affiliate networks out there offering varying commission rates and tracking systems. Popular examples include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Commission Junction Affiliate, and ClickBank. It's important to research these carefully, making sure the products you promote are high quality and will benefit your audience. Selling poor quality products will not earn you an income, so that is super important. When done correctly, this is a great way to monetize your platform. Number 4, create content around your affiliate products. To really maximize the potential of your affiliate products and drive traffic to them, it's essential that you create valuable content tailored to your target audience. Think informative product reviews and tutorials, as well as how-to guides and listicles that address their pain points or interests. When writing, ensure you're being authentic and honest about the product or service rather than just trying to be a salesperson. Additionally, the best sales pitch is one that doesn't sound like a sales pitch. Additionally, make sure you optimize your content for search engines and social media platforms so it can easily be found. With relevant content in hand, you'll be sure to attract and interest your audience. Number 5, drive traffic to your site. Generating traffic for your affiliate products requires a multi-pronged approach. Take advantage of various content networks such as Reddit or Quora, as well as popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. Additionally, you can use Google SEO to make sure your content is discoverable online. It's important to clearly define your target audience when creating ads and other forms of promotions while optimizing your content to be shareable and engaging. With consistent traffic comes consistent sales, making it a key element in any successful affiliate marketing strategy. So this last tip, advertise, advertise, advertise to drive the traffic you need for sales. At the end of the day, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, and by following these 5 steps we've laid out here, you'll be able to start making some serious cash in 2023. But it will take some hard work and dedication. Researching your niche, setting up a platform for promotion, finding profitable programs, creating valuable content, and driving traffic are the key ingredients to success. With the right effort and dedication, anyone has the potential to thrive. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment down below. And that's all we have for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop us a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.